Hi everyone, my name is Dubrinka Parvanov and I'm presenting the project Art and Craft Land that it's helping artists, designers, juvelers to promote themselves worldwide, mostly digitally, and to be with the newest trends. Right now, if you watch this video, it means that you have been doing the whole process together with us and you successfully sold your NFTs on Gate.io or some other platform. In this video, I want to show you how to withdraw the money, how to transfer actually the money from the Gate.io platform to some crypto wallet platform, and after that to withdraw the money directly to your credit card or your bank account. And I will give you a very small tip for people who actually are not residents of USA or European Union. How to deal with that too, because this is also important. So right now, if you have any troubles by uploading your NFTs or registering on Binance or any other platform, I would suggest you to see our other videos. Here I will show you very shortly, if you are still new to Gate.io, how actually to deal with the NFTs and with the wallet that you have there. For this reason, I will show you directly. Actually, you have to understand that NFT and the wallet are like totally two different products of Gate.io, which means that they have different Windowses, and for each of them you need to go from here or from here. So now I would like to show you how you can actually get to these windows. From NFT, you open this option and you go to My Assets, where you can actually see all your works. And of course, if you have any bit history, I don't know why actually they don't have some record of the bit history. Probably they delete from time to time the information, but you can also see it from each of your works. If you open it, you can see the bit history, if there is some below. So the point is that here on the trades you can see actually, in my case I'm selling the NFTs for a fixed amount. I don't wait for the bits and I don't even reply for the bits. So after I have completed some order, which is automatically from the platform, I see directly my money. If you have any issues with the money receiving or to see your bits, I had these issues actually in the beginning in your wallet. I would suggest you to write a ticket to the administration of the Gate.io platform. If you don't have any issues, you have to see directly here in the wallet and funds. You have to see the amount of the money that you're supposed to receive from the sold NFT. Right now, as you can see from wallet funds overview, you can see how much is the amount of the NFT that you sold. In my case, I sold the NFTs for USDT, which approximately is the same amount in USD. And now I will show you how to transfer this money to Binance or any other. Actually, there are many different platforms like crypto wallets, which allow. You have to understand that actually Gate.io, OpenSea, and other platforms like this for NFTs, they don't offer, most of them, they don't offer actually dealing with the cryptocurrency or withdrawal to bank account. That's why I would suggest you to use some of these. I will put the link in the description below. I would suggest you to use some of these applications, but of course the biggest one are Coinbase and Binance. Here you can also see the percentage that they take for withdrawing or transferring money or trading with cryptocurrency, so you can choose a smart way. But I would suggest you anyway to use one of the biggest for now at least. Uh, what we do now, we go to Gate.io to spot account. You can also find it from here. And if I want to do the transfer of my money to Binance, I should make first some registration on Binance, which is actually very simple. You can, I will show you something. You can see that you can even use even your accounts in Google or other ways to actually to make your own account. So now I would like to withdraw the money. As you can see, in 2022, Gate.io offer actually few more new options. To be honest, I didn't try them yet because I'm not really sure what is going on here and how it's working. For this, you should contact maybe directly to the technician from Gate.io just to be sure that you will receive the money. So for now, I will just use the old option that it's offering me transfer to Binance or to any other crypto wallet. And of course, I'm opening here my Binance, and you can see that it's very easy from here, from wallet. I just can see from fiat and spot, I can see all my money. And from deposit button, I can start making a deposit to my Binance wallet. So here I would like to choose USDT because this is the currency, the cryptocurrency that I will transfer. And the cryptocurrency, you should understand that it's connected to Tron. So this is very important to choose the right network, because otherwise maybe you will not receive your money. Now I have the address actually of my crypto wallet here in Binance, and this is exactly what I need to copy here. Here, of course, again, I choose Tron. Where is it? There is something else? No, I don't see anything else. So this should be the right one. And now I can just copy and paste the address that I have from the Binance. And of course, the quantity, I will transfer the whole amount because I already did it a few times. But I would suggest you, of course, to try with some small amount just to be sure that you do everything correct and you don't have any other issues, and that you receive actually the money. So now next. And of course the verification process. As you can see, we successfully withdraw the amount from Gate.io and we transfer it to Binance. If you want to confirm that, I would suggest you to go to Binance account and to choose from the wallet, fiat and spot. Then you can see all the crypto and normal currencies that you have in your account. As you can see, I have the same amount of USDT here. In case if you don't see the amount of money in your crypto wallet, I would suggest you to wait few hours because sometimes it takes time. And of course, if you don't receive them during the day, just I think you need to contact the customer support from the platform. And again, I'm reminding you, please do everything in small amounts, because in this case you will lose not so much money, especially if you are a beginner. Please do a small test before to transfer all your money. After we do this conversion, actually we do this movement, we want to do the conversion of the money to some normal currency in order to receive it to our bank account or credit card, because as far as I know, there is no bank that it's working with cryptocurrency and converting it automatically. So that's why actually why we are using Binance or Coinbase. By choosing the USDT and choosing withdraw, actually we don't need withdraw, we first need to convert. Okay, and we need to choose the whole amount of USDT. I'm trying to convert it to USD, but as you can see, I don't have this money here. I don't have US dollar here. I don't have this option, which means that because I live in Israel, some of the countries, you have to understand that, are not allowed on Binance to convert into USD. So in this case, I will choose another, because I have another card also than Israeli one. I will choose Europe. You have to know something very important. There are some countries which cards are not supported by Binance or some other crypto wallet. So in this case, if you don't have a credit card from the European Union, for example, and you can't convert the money into euro in order to receive them, I would suggest you first of all to check that, of course, which you will check very easily here. When you try to transfer the money, it will show you if you have an option or not. If it doesn't have any other option than your currency, I would suggest you to do it through euro. And in this case, after you convert it into euro and you see here in fiat and spot that you have all this money, we are trying to withdraw them. Okay, and in this case I have only one option to do a transfer to bank card, Visa or MasterCard. I remember from my past experience, when I tried to transfer the money to my Israeli card, it wasn't working because it's written that the platform doesn't doesn't support this kind of card. So I did it to my European card. In your case, if you don't have any other options, I would suggest you, I will put a link in the description below, and I'm suggesting you the same way to use Google as me and to find the nearest, near you, crypto change. Usually they help, which is perfectly, especially for the beginners. You don't need to do anything by yourself. They can help you with everything for a very small percentage, usually between 2.5% and 4%. It costs all the conversions and all the transfers to your credit card, or even you can receive the money cash there. You have to know that. In my case, I have almost 2% transaction fee, which is only what it's taken by Binance. I'm not even sure if my bank will also take some percentage on the top. So at the end, I have to calculate actually which is better for me, either to do it myself, the whole process, either just to use a crypto ATM or a crypto change. And of course, for the beginning, I would suggest you just to use someone that has been doing this process. Or if you don't want to deal with this, of course, at all, this is also a very good option. And what else I can suggest you is that I will show you a bit later how to deal also if you have sold some NFT on other platforms than Gate.io. You have to understand that the whole process is similar. Actually, on Gate.io it's a bit more simple than, for example, on OpenSea, because but the fact is that right now there is no NFT platform which provides directly transfer of the money to your bank account.